Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you how I made this little sad and super unhappy little lemon plush keyring. Now you can switch it around and make it a little happy one if you want to, but I just wanted to make mine super sad for some reason, so that's exactly what I did. So to start off with, you'll want to take a yellow piece of plush fabric, and this is just by the brand Shannon fabrics. As you know, I love this brand for plush fabric, as honestly it's the best one. It's so soft, it's just so easy to work with, and I just love it. So what you want to do is fold over a piece of yellow plush fabric onto itself, and then you want to draw out a rough chubby little lemon shape with a pen or pencil. I do recommend using a sewing chalk, something like that, rather than a Sharpie pen, as sometimes a Sharpie pen can seep through, but I'm just using one here so that I can show you better of what I'm doing, rather than, you know, kind of trying to draw it and then not being able to show you. So I wouldn't recommend using a Sharpie pen like I have here, but just use a pen that's close to the colour. So anyway, once you have your lemon drawn out, you'll then want to cut out this shape, and you'll want to pin the front piece and the back piece together so that they're completely lined up, so that when you sew, you won't kind of go off the fabric. Now as you can see here, I just use 2 pins to secure mine, and then what you want to do is sew all the way around that line that you have drawn. You do want to leave about an inch gap so that you can turn it inside out, and to be honest, you want to make this gap the smallest you possibly can, so that when you turn it out, you haven't got to hand sew so much. So as you can see here, I've popped 2 arrows on, and I'm just going to sew from one point to the rest. Once sewn, I just cut off all the excess all the way around, and I actually use my sewing machine to sew this, but you can of course hand sew it, hot glue it, fabric glue it, however you want to secure along that line. Once you are completely done, like I said, you want to remove any of the excess, and then you want to cut little snips all the way around. Because there are a lot of curved edges, you want to make sure that the fabric can bend as easily as possible. Putting these little slits in really help the fabric to kind of bend and shape nicely when turned the right side way round. Once you have enough snips in all the way around, you'll then want to just turn your shape the right side way round, like I said, and using your fingers, you just want to press out the little kind of pokey out bits on the lemon and focus on them first. Once you have your shape the right way round, you'll then want to cut 2 holes to insert the toy safety eyes. Now of course you don't have to use toy safety eyes, I just like using them as I feel they look much more professional, and they just give your plush a little bit more extra dimension. You can of course use little bits of felt, like little circles, or you can paint the face on with fabric paint or little beads. Anything that you think might work for a face, you can obviously do that for your plush. So with toy safety eyes, I just cut a hole, pop the actual black eye through, and then on the inside I pop a washer onto that. This then secures it and makes sure it doesn't come off. Once your face is fully attached, you'll then want to just stuff up your lemon, and to do this I just used brand new polyfill stuffing used for toys. So this is just toy stuffing that you can get at the fabric store or craft store, and it just really is used for stuffing teddy bears and other plush toys. I don't know how to explain that, but you could also use pillow stuffing as well. If you have an old pillow hanging around, you can just stuff it with that. So once my lemon was fully stuffed, it was nice and dense, I just took some thread on a needle and just kind of sewed up that very top kind of opening. And like I said before, when you're sewing, when I said leave that inch, the smaller you make this, the smaller the bit you would have to hand sew. So next, to add the little mouth on mine, I just took some black thread on a needle and just stitched out a little sad upside down smiley, and I just went over and over and over until this was completely smooth and nice and thick so you could see it through. You can of course paint yours or sew some felt down or whatever you choose. I then went ahead and trimmed the plush fabric around the mouth so that it didn't seem so bitty, and then I went ahead with some green cotton and just threaded on a keychain to the very top to make sure that the sad face was pointing down. Like I said, you can make it the other way around so that your lemon is happy, but I don't know, I just really wanted to make a little sad lemon, so that's exactly what I did. Anyway, once that was done, my plush keychain was then complete. I'm really happy with how this has turned out, and I just really like it, so yeah, hopefully you did too. If you have any questions, then please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!